Hershey's chocolate tour, here we go. This is a giant queue for a little dark ride. Look at all that. Tons of switchbacks. Here we are, we're getting on the ride. Oh, it's Boo Blasters. Kinda. Not really. We're in the ride vehicle.
Hey everyone.
Oh my goodness, that scared me.
Welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Here we go. What is this?
I bet they wouldn't be singing like this if it were a beef factory.
Yeah, that's true. This is really bizarre. This is kind of cool. I wasn't expecting this. I thought it was gonna be like really cheesy and stupid.
It's actually kind of neat.
It is. Uh-oh.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone. Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumb.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, you must remain seated at all times during the tour ride. Thank you.
Yeah.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
These coffee machines use branded for rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged. Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Love Hershey's milk chocolate, special dark bar.
Oh my
Hey,
goodness.
don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
I don't like those.
What?
They're scary.
Oh, I think it's like a Reese's cup.
No.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
I don't like that thing.
No. Very, very scary.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone.
Wherever you
Bye.
go, buy Hershey's chocolate. Buy Hershey's chocolate immediately. Wherever you go. We're gonna be on the camera. Bye.
Now, everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1. Hershey's.
Oh, what is this? This is cool. This is cool. Orlando. Is there Ohio on there? No Ohio. I think that's the end of the ride.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain safe.
Okay, we just got off the chocolate tour and we got chocolate bars for going on the chocolate tour. Show your chocolate bar. Yeah, chocolate bars.